Okay, so today I want to talk to you just for a second about some tools that I use that help me just kind of stay organized and on task, and also just kind of give you guys a sneak peek into what we do every single day. A lot of people just don't really understand what it takes when you have a digital agency, or how much time a lot of things take. So I'm doing this for, a couple reasons, just kind of show you a little behind the scenes, but also show you a way that you can, if you're feeling a little disorganized, use a few automation tools to help you stay on time, on task, and on focus. So what I do is I have a lot of different tools where clients can schedule calls with us. One of the reasons that, I am so adamant about people scheduling time is because I live and die by this schedule. Because if I'm not getting this stuff done, I'm not meeting my commitments to my clients. So, being available all the time is just not an option for me. Honestly, when you have a lot of work to do on contracts, things like that in the background, it's really not an option for anybody. And I've run my businesses this way for years. Just because it's a lot more efficient and it allows me to be a lot more productive. So what I do is I go in and I schedule all of my work, all of the things that I need to get done throughout the day. And I usually go about 7 days in advance if I need to. Because a lot of the things that I do are fluid, sometimes I have to leave some things blank so that I can say, okay, if this wasn't done or if this needs to be tweaked, I can add that in on the fly so that I can better serve my clients. So this is a way that you can time block your day. Now, the cool thing about this is that on my Todoist app, look at all the stuff I have. I have everything that I have over here on my calendar as far as what I need to do that day, in addition to anything else that I have where I have, emails that'll come in and I can just click on this and it'll access that email for me. So I have, my entire to-do list for today. So obviously it's a pretty big list, right? I'm hoping yours isn't that long. But this just kind of keeps me on task with everything so I can check it off as things are done throughout the day. And then that way too, I can move things or change things around as different things come up. So how do I automate this, right? On my calendar, and then I have Todoist. And remember, I've talked about Todoist before. It's a free service unless you want to buy the upgraded version. Most people don't really need the upgraded version. The free version is fine. But you can put this on your phone. You can sync it with your Alexa shopping list. You can, sync it up with your Google Calendar. And the way I do that is I use a tool called IFTTT. And this is also a free tool, online tool. What I do is I create applets. So what this does is it automatically automates a lot of the things that I do on social media. So I can post links that I put on Facebook. They go automatically to Twitter. Automatically shares my Instagram photos on Facebook. Automatically shares new links you post from Facebook to Twitter. So, it's 100% automating pretty much everything that I do, but you can see right here there's an applet, and all you do honestly to set these up for most of them is point, click, and log in. It's really, really, really simple. So you've got, you're automatically turn your Google Calendar events into Todoist tasks, but literally there's hundreds and hundreds of new applets on here, all the time, that you can go in and begin to automate a lot of your business and your life. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments below. Other than that, have a great day.